doll hair where doll hair come through, because that's what you're giving me. All these quick little videos, these quick clips, these stock card images look good, but the hair quality itself is not hitting.
Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left, unless you gon' get right. What the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo, but taking it easy like poco a poco.
And welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today I'm coming back to you guys with a new unit from the Sensational Dashley collection. I'm wearing this one in the style Lace Unit 24 and the color Chunky Highlight 27. So let me just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your center HD lace parting space. It does also come pre-plugged. It does have baby hairs. Let me just show you this hairline. The hairline is just not doing what I feel like it should be doing. It's passable. Not impressed, honestly, not impressed. Hair quality is feeling like doll hair, not for it, dried out, definitely got a good amount of tangling, good amount of shedding. This is absolutely a look but don't touch unit. This is a photo shoot type unit. This is a go sit dinner 2 hours max type unit. This is not everyday hair. This is not long wear hair. So the cap size on this one is definitely coming off small and medium head friendly. I would not pick this one up if you have a larger size head. My head is 22 to 22.5 inches in circumference, and I feel like it's fitting pretty good. But I think if you do have a head that's bigger than mine, this one will probably be an issue for you. It'll probably be constricting on you. The density on this unit, this is all hair to the front. I feel like it looks kind of more full just because I did definitely do a good amount of combing out with a wide tooth comb and finger combing out. So it looks like maybe closer to 150%. It's probably like closer to 130%. So more of a natural density. The length on it, it's pretty long. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it does come below my boobs. Now, I do honestly like the coloring on this unit. I like the fact that it does have like a dark number 2 root. It's giving dark natural root, colored like number 4 natural type of brown, and then the peaks of the highlight 27 coming through. So I think the color looks really pretty. It was really nicely executed. This hair is also heat safe between 350 to 400 degrees. I did go in and add heat because it was definitely giving me some humpage. I feel like I did definitely get it down a good amount. It's passable, but like if you want to make it look as more realistic as possible, you probably can go and pluck out the hairline a little bit more. You can definitely put in work to make it look better, but I just feel like based on the quality of the hair itself, it wasn't worth it for me because this is just going to be a quick throw on, go out, do something in a short period of time. This unit is not going to last you a lot of time. It's going to be high maintenance. I mean, it's a synthetic, long, wavy, curly type unit. The quality of the hair is not really up to par, so I feel like this is absolutely not going to be an everyday type unit. So let me just jump into the cons and the pros of this unit. My number one con, of course, is going to be the hair quality itself. I feel like it's giving very much old school doll hair, which I'm not here for. I feel like looks are deceiving because it looks gorgeous, but the hair quality itself, I don't like it. I don't like how it feels. I like how it looks, but I don't like how it feels. It just feels low quality to me, in my opinion. Another comment I have to say is the hairline. I feel like they could have did a better job on the hairline. It's definitely savable, definitely manageable, definitely workable. But when I look for units, I look for units that have to do as little work as possible, and this is not it. So I kind of wasn't really here for that. Those are probably going to be my only two cons, but for me, those are big cons. My pros on it, the number one pro is I feel like they did a wonderful job with the color. Looks very natural. This dark brown color is giving. The dark root is giving. These little peaks of the 27. Yes, like this is beautiful. The whole look of it, gorgeous. It's giving loose body wave. It's giving natural. I mean, I feel like as a whole, it looks really pretty. Ample parting space, even though it's just the center part. Super pretty unit, but definitely would not pick it up again just because, like I said, as I noticed with the Dashley collection, their hair is not up to par in my opinion. Maybe their prices are more on the affordable side, but I do definitely feel like there are alternatives out there where you can get better quality hair, better hairlines that, for the same price, if not cheaper. So not necessarily here for it. I mean, I feel like if you pick it up with a specific idea in mind, as far as you just want to wear it to a photo shoot, you just want to wear it to a specific event or something like that, I don't think you'd be wasting your money. But for anything other than that, I definitely would probably stray away from this one, honey. Don't let the hype fool you if you see these people out there looking gorgeous with this hair, because, honey, it ain't worth it to me. This is not worth it for me. But anyways, that's pretty much what I have to say about this unit. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.